So who we've got here is Cole. He's a runner and he's complaining of pain under his first metatarsal here, his toe joint. And if you can see that there's quite a bit of noticeable of a bit of a bunion starting off here, possibly due to genetics. But what we want to do is we want to put a spacer in here to create it to become more in a position and more in a biomechanical position so that the pain is reduced. And Cole's actually done that with the spacer. And we'll go in that way. There we go. You put a spacer between the toes, and because it's a nice soft gel spacer, it actually is quite comfortable to wear. And you can see immediately that is improved, and it will reduce the pain significantly. He says it was actually less painful when he ran. So this is what we're wanting to do. Anyone that's got a bit of a pronounced bunion area here, you want to wear a spacer between the toes so that the toe can go in a better alignment, because that is straight position there. So that will come with time, that it will become more soon. If he leaves it and he doesn't put the spacer in, it will go further over there, and then this will become very painful and it can become red and swollen, and then at that stage he'd need to go for surgery. So we don't want that, because that's the last option, but this is preventative, so you can definitely prevent it by doing that. All right.